Game shot.
First possession, Parimoy. Steal by Garcia. Garcia, pinasakay sa lilit. Fires a three, bang!
Ano ginawa yan ng mga lahat?
Steal by sa lilit. Pinasakay Garcia. Foul pass to number 11, 2 points.
Si Will pala, si Will.
Kunan mo lahat ng player mo na.
No, pinasakay Garcia. Pinasakay number 11. Pinakaw. Out of bounds. 10 seconds to shoot.
Pinapos-pos mo ba pre pag in between pa? Ikaw pa yung nagpo-pos. Kasi sa recording natin, nagsiskip eh.
May nakita ko.
No?
Nung
Inilit ka ba? Pinapos siguro ni Camille.
Nag-delete ka ba? Nag-delete ka ngayon?
Hindi. Kay Kasya pa.
Hindi, i-delete mo
nag-delete
na.
ako, nag-delete ako.
Na-delete mo na pre.
Yung last week yung nakita ko, may nagpo-post eh.
Iwan number 11. Masaja. Pass to Moore.
Pangit. Pare ko. Ito lang panalo. Third pa.
Pinasakay Antanzar. Pass to Ponce. Jesse. 4 to shoot. Antanzar. 1 to shoot.
Shot clock. Good. Run it.
Run. 2 points, Garcia.
Sa Lili nag-guardian eh.
Jesse. Pass to Agurin. Steal. Foul number 24. Holding foul, first personal foul, first team foul.
Kulang din kami ngayon? Kulang din kami. Wala si Padayaw.
Wala ka.
Wala si Mark.
Corpus is foul.
Si, Kuya,
Foul number 3, Ponce. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for number 19, Corpus. Second shot is good. 8-point lead by Sunday Club. Agurin for 3, wala. Rebound sa lilit. Pass to Will. Garcia. Pass to number 8, 2 points.
Iba na din lalaro.
Diba? O, sa work pa kuya.
Jesse. Nasa loob, Ponce. Pamama sa board. Corpus, pass to number 8. Layup, 2 points. Jesse, sinasaka number 11, Masada. Wala, rebound sa lilit. Pass to Garcia. Garcia, pass to number 8. Wala, rebound pa rin niya. Number 8, 2 points. 14-0 run by Sunday Club.
Yar, score, Yar!
Ponce against Salile. Tumira Andres. Wala. Rebound Corpus. Pinasakay Garcia. Full shot. Wala. Jesse. Pinasakay Agorin. Agorin. Steal by Garcia. Garcia, pass to number 11, fakes, drives, wala, rebound, Masaja. 3-on-2, Masaja, pass to Jesse, bordering, wala, rebound, Ponce, 2 points.
Under 5 minutes yun.
Saline, pass to Corpus. Pushing foul, number 24, Agurin.
Sabas. Sab!
Second personal foul, third team foul. Will. Saline. 8 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds. Garcia. Pass back to Saline. 3 seconds. Wala. Rebound Zamora. Nakita si Jesse sa kabilang dulo. Mag-isa. Wait. Wala. Pero rebound pa rin niya. Pinasa kay Espino. Espino. Ininagin. Garcia, pass to Corpus. Reverse is foul. Foul number 3. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Sab.
Substitution ref. Number 33, Ron in. 2 shots for number 19, Corpus.
Grabe, kompleto yung coaching staff dun ah.
First shot, no good.
Teka, upo muna ako po.
Ang dami ko po andun eh.
Dami. Hirap lumabas dito.
Nakawa mo muna nga.
Second shot is good.
Ito ka na yung sisiksik sa amin.
Antansa, wala. Rebound, Winkler. Pinasa kay Agurin.
Hey!
Agurin, pinasa kay Winkler. Thanks. It's foul. Foul number 19. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for number 3, Alan Potts.
Sarap ko lang yan. Sarap. Parang.
Hindi ko pumasok sa Mora pala.
Both shots good. Corvus, pass to Ron, wala. Rebound, Estino.
Bagong ahit
Winter, against Garcia, space, 2 points. Corpus, pass to Garcia. Ron. 10 to shoot. Number 8. Wala. Rebound. Antansa. Pass to Mo. Jesse. Antansa. Pass to Winter. 8 to shoot. Jesse. Wala. Rebound. White ball.
Malas.
Wala pala si Sherlock ah.
Oo nga.
To shoot. Mono pass to Corpus. Wala. Rebound. Winter. Pass to Jesse. Yeah. Is foul.
19 ulit, 19.
Foul number 19. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Winter, wala, rebound, makakuha ni Espino, fix, 3 seconds, violation. Remaining time, 7 seconds. Garcia, Tumira. Wala.
Birthday boy, oh. Happy birthday.
And the first quarter, we just score 15-6 in favor of Sunday Club. Shout out kay Mr. Kevin Bong Brusme. Happy birthday! Ang kaya Alex?
Dito lang.
Award natin yung
Tama ba to?
stealth assassin sa Lilo.
Tama. Sunday Ball. Sunday Ball Club.
Saturday pa lang ah. Bola nila bukas? Wala bukas.
Ano man, hindi naman nakuha.
Tulagan mo ah.
Hindi, kasabay ako tinahin.
Season, mythical. Ilang season yung kalipas ay mythical din sa wakas.
Sino?
Si Kevin. Tagal niya na nakasama. Dal, happy birthday.
Rod,
Champion na yan. Ha? Champion na rin. Birthday mo eh.
Corpus. 2 points. Zamora. 2 points. Garcia, Pastoron. Pinasangay ng break. Peace out by Ponce. Number 3, third personal foul. First team foul.
JR, tatlo, Alan.
Salile, 2 points.
Tatlo si Alan.
Zamora, wala. Salile,
Saan yung nakascot kanina pa?
Ron, sinasakay number 8. Wala, rebound, Jesse. Jesse, pulls up, 2 points.
Best friend ni Pog. Si Pog, si Lalaway.
Pasa, wala, rebound Corpus, 2 points. Zamora,
And one.
wala. Still makes a foul.
sab, sab,
Foul number 33.
Sab na.
sab, sab.
Ilan na ba?
First.
First personal foul, first team foul. Substitution rep.
Agorin Ponce.
Agurin in, Ponce out.
Kanina yung foul dun kay JR no?
Hindi, kay Ponce.
May Ponce.
Tatlo na siya. Si PJR, dalawa.
First shot, no good.
Nilaminate yun. Ang bigat ng mga frame eh. Frame dati.
Second shot is good.
Naka-on ba lang? Hindi ang manba.
Front break, fires, 2 points. Steal by Salile. Tumira pass. Wala, rebound number 7. Ay, number 2. Jesse. Against Garcia. Tumira, wala. Rebound, Garcia. Nakita si Pasa. Wala. Zamora. Pinasa kay Espino. Wala. Number 2. Wala. Out of bounds. Sabi to siya rep. Garcia out. Will in.
Kuya William.
William pa pangalan.
Zamora. Jesse. Zamora, Tumira. Wala. Rebound, Corpus. Steal. By number 2. Pinasa kay Jesse. Steal. Wala.
Sayang.
Rebound. Salih. Pinasa kay Corpus sa kaliwa. Short. Rebound, Zamora. Pinasa kay Kuya Jess. Zamora. Tumira. Wala. Rebound, Corpus. Aza. Giving the ball against Zamora. 6 to shoot. Aza. 1 shot to run. 1 to shoot. Sarili. Good to go. Wala. Zamora nakakuha ng bola. Steal by Zamora. 2-2. Jesse pass to Jan. Fake. Out of bounds.
Sab.
Substitution.
Time out daw, time out.
Timeout. Sunday Club. Official score 23-11. 12-point lead by Sunday Club.
Yan, abot mo yung camera. Lasing ka?
Sinuman ko sila Jason kagabi.
Nasa tayo.
Oh, birthday ni Borge.
Oo nga pala, birthday ng kupal.
Hindi, nagpaano lang ba? Nagpunta sa Schnitz, putya.
Meron pasok.
Akala ko ano sana.
Oh, parang nag-live na lang.
Wala nang nagang
30 day.
2 weeks lang. Next week. Last week ko na.
Focus ka na sa cabinet ko.
Wait, pasok na si Kuya Ran hanggang 4:30.
Pasok ka.
Ano, sabihin ka?
Sa finals nung siya pumasok.
Fighting.
Finance yun.
Wrong. Pass to Sarili. Steal by Garcia. Out of bounds, single.
Saan ko yan? Bola ko nawawala.
Diyan lang yung kuya.
Ayan.
Sarili, pass to Will. Fake drive, push up, 2 points. Zamora. 8 to shoot. Antanzar. In and out. Rebound Winter. Out of bounds. Garcia. Will reverse 2 points. Kailangan ng pupunta na. Yeah, pass to Winter. Foul number 11, Will. First personal foul, second team foul. Anyanzar, 3 points. Corpus. Against the trio. Foul number 4. First personal foul, second team foul. Garcia. Pasturon. Masang lakas. Rebound Sarili. Foul number 4, Espino. Second personal foul, third team foul. 2 shots for Salile.
Sino kayang pakuha natin sa last game? Table kasama mo.
Wala si Eamon, ano?
Wala.
Hindi, nandyan.
Hindi siya magsistay.
Ha?
Tinanong ko siya, hindi siya magsistay sa fourth game.
Meron.
Kalaban sila.
Diyan.
Ha?
Yeah.
JR na kasi din.
Si Ron, pwede.
Nanonood naman yan.
Busok dalawa.
Salam, sir.
Huwag kang mag-award muna ng susunod doon, parang hindi mo gano'n.
Ng season ano?
Ha?
Hanggang saan? Isa pa? Wala. Iwan Winter. Zamora, thanks. Pero may foul. Foul number 24. First personal foul, third team foul.
May tubig yun. May tubig, pre. Thank you. Ano yung tumutulog?
Phone ko nag-ring kanina pa.
Kay John Lee siguro ako.
Hi?
John Lee.
Ah.
And first half, official score 28-16. 1 point lead by Sunday Club. May we go on?
RRR himself. Yan ang.
RRR, Honor,
Pasay lang.
Rideshare and Transport Services.
Wala siya. Si Ran.
Randy Rayos.
Where's
To,
Lumabas? Ano?
to give the special award
Ah. Hindi, to receive the
to receive the certificate of appreciation.
picture man.
Sino bibigay?
Ikaw. Ako kuya.
Paano bibigay? Ako bibigay ka?
Hindi, pipicture ako lang siya. Ako si award natin.
Andre.
Thank you kuya. Yan picture mo. Concern.
Sa gitna ako, sa gitna.
RRR and back and forth services.
Stay to award the Stealth Assassin pre. Paano sa lang.
Kuya?
Stealth Assassin yung award na lang natin. Sandali.
Next award, may we go on?
Hindi, sabihin mo muna. Leading in steals for 35 and above.
Leading the steals for 35 and up division. Number 24 from Sunday Club, Chris Salile.
Averaging.
Average of Sunday Club basketball for leading the Summer Cup category 35 up in steals with 2.6 steals per game.
Ayun pala babasahin ko. Ha? 20 lang.
Malit sa akin.
Congratulations, Chris Salile.
Saan ba si manager?
Sa kasama si Germany. Wala na?
Kumaya ulit. Halftime break ko yun.
Para lang di ba? Nanakaw talaga ako.
Congrats. Game. Let's go. Oh.
Bas.
Third!
Tama na, pre.
Third to Marshall.
Tama to, Chich.
O kanina di ba yung isa? Dito.
Tawag, pre.
Saan nakuha yung bola?
Third quarter. Bola ng Michael. Anjanzar, pass to Zamora, back to Anjanzar, pass to Dre, wala. Rebound number 8, Pasa. Pass to Garcia. Still not completed by Zamora. Same ball. Sandine. Pass to Williams. Corpus. 8 to shoot. Traveling violation.
Sakto galing.
2 points, Zamora. Will, 2 points. Jesse, pass to Anjanzar. Back to Jesse. There. Winter. Basket. May kasama pang technical foul. Technical foul number 24.
Kaka-award lang dyan ah.
Wait lang,
Kaka-award lang dun ah.
Pagkatapos ng free throw.
Na-award ulit.
Huwag ka na pumasok.
Takbo ng tira mo na ayaw ah.
Sabi ko siya run in. Will have. Ten-point lead by Sandy Club. Winter, back out. Run. 2 points.
Magic Hugot.
Grabe.
Stepping.
Hindi pa binigay. Isa pa, isa pa.
Blue ball, blue ball, blue ball, blue ball.
Reset lang. No, tsaka si Prince.
Resty.
Jesse, pass to Rodri. Back to Jesse. Pinasa Zamora. Jesse, 8 to shoot. 33 holding foul.
Second.
Second personal foul. First team foul. Zamora, nakita si Victor. Pinagay sa Pakuha pa. 2 points.
Sino kanina yung nagkaroon?
Ron. Pinasa kay Corvus. Backcourt violation. Diyan.
Patay sana.
Paano ng Chinese karta si John Liu?
10-20.
Ayaw nga pala. Teka lang ko may nagkaroon.
Nandiyan siya. Pass to Zamora. Pinasa kay Victor. Pinasa kay Jan. Nandiyan siya. Steal by number 8. Pasa against Jan. Same ball. Corpus sa loob. Offensive foul.
Awit. Lakas.
Number 19, offensive foul. Third personal foul for Corpus. Yes, pass for Green. Winter. Pinasa kay Yes for 3. Wala. Pass to Garcia. Pinasa kay Salile. Garcia. Open. Wala. Rebound Salile. Salile. 8 to shoot. Salile. Pinasa kay Garcia. 3 seconds. Run for 3. Wala. Rebound ni Pasa. Pero ang i-steal ni Agurin. Pinasa kay Jesse. White ball.
Kita.
Salih. Dribble the ball. Pass to Corpus. Pasa. Wala. Rebound Corpus. And 1. Foul number 45.
Si Kevin.
First personal foul. First team foul.
Kevin. Up next.
Transition ref.
Ayan pa lang, baka gusto mag-table na Kevin.
Timeout.
Baka gusto niya mag-table sa fourth game.
Sabi
May
ba?
laro ka eh. Kevin. You know,
Sino kayo mo?
pinsan ni Alvin.
Ah, Cristobal? Ah,
Hindi siya kilala ba? Tsura.
kuya.
Masakit kita. Yan ba yan?
No, kaga mo na nga.
Di bali na maaga, huwag na late.
Support ka.
Kev,
Ha? Bayog ba? Eh, kailan ka... Ano laro? Sa baby mo?
ginagawa ni kami, pinopost niya. Yung kung nakapost, tapos nireach
Kaya pala, Edwin,
skip
makakalaro
na.
na.
Ikaw ba nakapost? Hindi. Kasi yung ibang game ganun. Sabi ko ayos.
Yung sila yata ni Eman yun.
Si Eman siguro, no? Parang na-edit na.
Kala ko, inedit nyo nung karaan.
Hindi. Kala ko rin. Sabi ko, diretso upload. Ba't madali ka?
Blue ball, blue ball.
May bonus.
Nakachamba eh.
Samar. Pass to number 2. 3 points for LeBron. For Woods, pass to Pasa.
Wala na sana.
Foul number 4, Espino. Third personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for number 8, Pasa.
Kayo naman din namin kagabi yan eh. Kayo naman din namin. Espino. Hindi ka inuman ba?
Ah, wala ba sa inuman ka?
May ka na ba? May chicken doon.
And ready tayo, award tayo after and third. Mabilis.
Sinawad na ko yan.
Si Zamora, scoring champ.
Second shot is good.
Ito yung kuya.
Andito. Tingnan yan.
Babasahin ko pa.
Agurin.
Anong ginawa mo?
Wala. Rebound Pasa. Ooh. Foul number 6, Kuya Jesse. First personal foul, third team foul. And 1 for Pisa. Foul number 4, Espino. Warning for graduate, warning for penalty.
Kadami na Kobe nito. Bill.
2 points for Corpus. 15 points lead by Sandra.
Sa rapon.
Zamora, wala. Rebound.
Ako na post niya. May hihapon.
Corpus, steal by Alboy. Counter steal by Pasa. Spins, lays up, wala, iwan na ball. 6 seconds, game clock. Zamora. Is foul. Foul number 33, Ron.
Men's forward.
Third personal foul for number 33.
Tawag pa.
2 shots for number 10, Zamora.
Na-shoot ko yan, na-shoot. Na-shoot.
Yeah.
Na-shoot pare.
Stop lang.
Isa pa lang.
Second shot is good.
Tawagin mo siya.
May we call on the scoring champ for Summer Cup 35 Cup category
Summer class ang puta.
from SG Home Loans Parigoy with an average score of 19.2 points per game. Number 10,
Hindi ko alam.
Neil Zamora.
Hindi kami tumawag.
Oh, pare ko. Next one, pag nanalo tayong loto, may
Neil
mga
Zamora averaging 19.2 points per game. Is our scoring champ for 35 Cup category. Final to Walter.
trabaho mo yan.
Holiday. Monday.
May abi na. Tayo doon. Hindi, nagpaluto kami doon. Pet, anong oras darating yung
Ito ang problema eh. Ang problema dito, yaya ka niya eh. Di nyo nga binibigay address.
Hindi, dyan lang, mamaya.
Kasama naman tayo.
Saan? Hindi, mayroon ako pupuntahan pa eh.
I-send ko sa'yo.
Oo.
Lapit tayo.
Eh, malapit ka lang dito. Oh, yun.
Ano ka ba? Dyan lang. Ito na. Tumbukan mo to. Ayan lang.
Putang inang big time
Dito
to eh.
yung tumbukan si Andre, ha?
Mahilig tumubok eh.
Tawagan mo technical si JR.
Anong bibilyar lang, ha?
JR, tawagan ka daw technical. Yari ka.
Mark!
Tawagan ka daw technical.
Okay, Mark.
Akala niya nga blocking ang tawag ko, gumanon siya sa sahig yun. Pag gano'n niya sa sahig, kung blocking, punta technical yun.
Malaki yung ngiti ko,
Noon tinawagan ko offensive, biglang bumawi.
Fourth quarter. White ball, white ball.
Pang-apat na sana yun eh. Hindi pa total.
Sino nag-gana? Corpus?
Steal by Jesse. Jesse. Wala. Rebound Garcia. Garcia. Steal ulit. Traveling muna. Four goals. 2 points. Zamora. Pass to Winter. Still by Salina. Pass to Basa. Garcia. 2 points. Zamora. Pass to Alcantara. Pass to 3. Wala. Iwan Zamora. Still by Basa. Winter.
Sub, sub.
Stop, foul muna. Foul.
Foul number 10.
Stop.
Si number 10 ba?
Number 10. First.
First.
First personal foul for number 10. First team foul. 2 shots for number 3, Victor.
Okay na, best player.
First shot is good. Second shot, wala. One more.
Lahat na lang ako sinisip.
Rebound Zamora. Wala. Elboy. Jesse. Tumira ang pass. Inilang ka naman. Garcia. Against Sanjandar. Sinasakay ko yung Reti. Uy! Double zero violation. Zamora. Pass to ball. Clear on pass. Short. Rebound. Jesse. Anjanzar. Siya naman. Short. All along, Baza. 2 points.
Next dead ball ko yan.
Winter. Azap, pass to Garcia. What's up? Wala. Rebound, Will. Pushing foul number 45. Andyan Zach.
Apat na foul na boss.
Second.
Substitution rep. Number 45, second personal foul, first team foul.
Sa'yo ba ito, pre?
Lang 20. 25 dapat. Agaw.
Jesse, steal by Garcia. Will by the 3, sa last, winner. Ito kay Zamora. Zamora, easy 2 points.
Sunday Club.
Time out, Sunday Club. Final score, 46-30, 16.8 by Sunday Club.
Ray, dito ka 3 minutes, stretching. Mag-stretching ako.
Ako na pre.
Gano'n ako yan. Maya ako yan. May shot lang. Hindi pa ako nakaunat eh.
Di ako na. Ako na mag-picture para mag-award tayo. Kaya ikaw magkuha ng medal.
Kuya Ram, no? Ay, hindi pala.
Back to the ball game. Sunday Club.
Papainit.
Ako na. Ako na nga, magpipicture ka eh.
May nandiyan ka pa kasi. Saksahin kita eh.
Paano siya makakalabas?
Paza all the way. Wells back to Paza. It's let out the ball away. No good. Zamora. In and out. SB. Back to now stolen by Victor. Zamora and no foul.
Second person.
Foul on number 11. And Will, his second personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots. Neil Zamora.
Shot to. Oh, sorry. Stop na pala. First shot is good. Pasok. Pasok, pasok.
First shot is good. Makes both. In and out. Foul number 10, Brian Garcia. His second personal foul. Second team foul.
Okay lang, stop na. Tama ba? Second team foul. Sa kabila.
Hindi, tatlo
Tama.
na tayo.
Tatlo na.
Hindi, sa kabila. Sa kabila, kabila.
Make sure first. Makes both. Cuts the lead down to 12. Pasa all the way. Misses it. Cuevas. Recovers. Salile.
Posting up.
Isleta, double pump, no good. Rebound, Isleta, put back is good. Zamora. To Agurin all alone, overshoots. Too strong. 4:48. Sub. Sub. Sub in. Zamora fakes the 3. Step back. No good. Espino. Put back is good. Full court trap by SB Gomos. Garcia, mid-range, automatic, 50-36. Ponce, no good. Salile. Out of bounds. 1:22 left in the final period. Baza, no good. Stolen by Salile. Counter steal by
Zamora.
Zamora all the way, misses. Final 1 minute. Agurin, passes to Salile. Cuevas for 3. Bang! Dagger 3. Ponce for 3. Gets it back.
Foul.
Oh, out of bounds. Shot clock is off. Ponce, back to back. Short. Garcia gets it. Out of bounds again. Five, 4. And that's the end of the ball game. Thank you to SG Homos Palikoy for being part of the tournament. Congratulations for being the 4th placer for the 35 and up category. Congratulations to the Sunday Basketball Club for getting the 3rd place honors. We are awarding the bronze medals.
Andyan tayo, baba. Yan.
Best player, Corpus.
Best player of the game first, Christian Corpus. Unstoppable under the paint. And we will award at the same time the bronze medals for Sunday Basketball Club, led by their founder, Triple R himself, Ran Ray Rayos.
Murats.
Alright.
Picture muna Corpus, pre. Men, best player muna Corpus. Kamo yan ah.
Alright, Sunday Basketball Club, let's start with
Ron.
Ron Cuevas. In the middle, please. The words. And Will, number 11. Marvin De Leosa, number 11.